a bad rate spike in a key segment, a roll rate creeping up quarter on quarter, an acquisition channel quietly building a toxic vintage that hasn't surfaced in NPAs yet. In BFSI, risk doesn't announce itself, it builds quietly until it's too late. The organizations that catch it early have one thing in common: a sharp risk analyst. That analyst, the one who sees the signal before it becomes a crisis, a risk analyst in BFSI helps the organization understand, measure, and control uncertainty that can cause financial loss, regulatory issues, or reputational damage. You'll monitor portfolio health using DPD buckets, roll rates, vintage curves, and bounce rates, diagnosing why metrics shift, identifying root causes across cohorts and channels, and recommending policy actions like cutoff changes, limit management, or risk-based pricing. As a risk analyst in BFSI, you will monitor portfolio health, DPD, NPA, roll rates, and vintage performance, build risk dashboards and early warning signal reports for leadership, diagnose metric shifts by drilling into cohorts, segments, and channels, analyze policy cutoffs, approval rates, and bad rates to recommend changes, run stress and scenario analyses for regulatory and internal governance, align with underwriting, product, and collections teams on risk actions. In this 10-week program, you'll build strong foundations in risk metrics like PD and LGD basics, portfolio analytics, SQL, and Excel analysis, and a governance mindset, the combination that makes risk analysts indispensable in BFSI. You'll work hands-on with Excel, SQL, SAS, Power BI, Tableau, and gain exposure to Python, the exact stack used across banks, NBFCs, and fintechs in risk functions, designed for BFSI and fintech aspirants with strong analytical and process discipline. And your growth path is one of the most senior in the industry. Risk analyst to senior analyst to risk manager to head of risk, credit policy. Course duration, 10 weeks. Daily live sessions, 2 hours. Early bird offer, 20% off. If you want to build a career in BFSI where your analytical judgment protects portfolios, shapes policy, and influences decisions at the highest level, this course will give you the risk foundations and the credibility to get there. Enroll now and secure your early bird discount. Learn analytics, launch your career.